This is Boob. Puma's gonna water Boob.
After her?
It was crazy. Huh? Still not putting my duvet on. Good morning. It's 10:20. I just woke up. I have to not shower. I have to edit. I forgot. Like, it took forever. So I accidentally deleted my video halfway through and then it jumbled up and it's a mess. So now it's just exporting. I hope it's fine. My girlfriend's little sister's slippers came in the mail. I already gave her gift, but I'll give it to her whenever. Ugh, Kaylee comes over. I'm throwing this sports bra away. Hi, Zoe. So my mom cut my hair in the sports bra, and I've washed it 4 times, and there's still hair. So I'm throwing it away. So my mom's doing laundry, and I'm legit just sitting here. I need to fix my hair now. I'm legit just sitting here on the elliptical. This is Boob. Puma's gonna water Boob. Boob. This,
What we don't have.
just, she's almost dead. And this is Sam, I think.
Boob doesn't even hurt.
No, Boob doesn't hurt. Maybe if she was more alive. We're just gonna, this poor plant. Jeez. Oh, I'm just leaving them right there. Bacon for Pumba. The instructions to the dark transfer paper. I'm gonna do Pumba's present. It's completely different from the light one. Yes, it's perfect. Look at it. Forgot I'm supposed to use this. I'm ready. Ugh, hate my eyebrows. But we are filming elotes. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna go grade the rest of the trees.
That's all that matters. I'm sorry, Mom.
Are you good with it like that? Like you?
Like showing me? I don't
Yeah.
care.
Okay.
Like this shirt is like
Yeah.
14 sizes too big.
Yeah. Okay. So we're only doing 4 in chips?
Yeah, it's like a snack. A snack. My hair is atrocious. Yeah.
On your body.
Oh,
Wow.
that was a lot.
Yeah, it was. This week.
I
As a
know.
Christmas
I was
present.
finna tell you, like, hey man, when do you wanna take
I'm
the hike?
down anytime.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because that sounds bomb.
Yeah. Oh, and then you put this on it, but I'll do it on camera.
On camera.
Yeah.
This is it set up right now. So that's it set up. And then, you know, we sit back there and set. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Mom made scalloped potatoes. I'm having it with sriracha. This is the dinner everybody's eating.
They're flex ranch.
Yeah. So my mom ordered these. My mom's gonna screen record it and send it to me. But these are ice cream molds. But she saw somebody do hot cocoa bombs.
Sent it to me on Instagram.
Yeah, somebody did hot cocoa bombs with it. Zoe. Why are you sitting like that?
Why would you want lettuce?
I've just been chilling for like 2 hours. And then my grandpa showed up with donuts again. I need to do these. This is for Pumbaa for Christmas. This is the first one. This is the second one. Hello. I'm showering. Just so I can get it over with and be comfy, clean, and cozy. And then I'm gonna wrap a few presents, like a meal today, and then I have bags. I need coffee. I'm gonna make coffee first before I get in the shower. I showered.
My favorite was Tabit.
What? I hated her.
You didn't like Alex Tabit?
What was the other kid?
They had some after her.
It was Carisi.
Oh.
Currently 12:50. I've just finished the dishes. Yay! These aren't all of them. Puma was putting them away as I was doing it. Cleaning the kitchen. Just because my mom's been doing dishes for the past like 3 days, and I've just been drying them, so now I'm doing them. I'm just wiping down the counters, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the dishes away. Then I'm gonna wrap some presents. Clean up my room a little because my mom and I filmed, so the table's like out and the lights and wires and all that good stuff. But yeah, and then I have to do my duvet. She's on the filming table eating something. Zoe. So basically what I'm doing is cutting out the picture to iron it. Okay, I didn't even turn on the iron. Okay, so first you have to iron the shirt. So I'm gonna iron the shirt. It already smells hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna iron the shirt really quick so that it's nice and not wrinkly. Huh? Oh. We're gonna go with it. Okay, then this goes on top. It didn't stick to it, but I'm guessing it's because it's such a small. It feels on there. Okay, so this is it done. It's pretty on there. The thing didn't stick to it, but it could be that it was just so small. But I'm gonna let it dry before I wrap it and all that. Okay, I'm gonna iron the shirt. Look centered. Oh my god, the ironing cover almost wasn't big enough. So this just doesn't stick to it for whatever reason. But it seems pretty on there. It's not coming off. I do this all around the edges just to make sure. But it looks really good. It's still hot, so I have to let it cool. So I'm gonna let it cool right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this mess up. That's cooling. And then I need to wrap. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean it up. There you go, clean. I'm just gonna fix this. I'm still not putting my duvet on Okay, so I really want to start working out again. So I'm gonna try this girl's workouts, the girl that I found on TikTok. I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna try one of her workout plans. So I'm gonna start tomorrow. I stopped working out really because like Vlogmas took over, but I think I could somehow make time for a few workouts. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed soon, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you made it to the end of the video, let me know your biggest pet peeve. It's something that just gets on your nerves and you just cannot stand. Mine is probably just someone lying and I know they're lying. Like, if I know you're lying and I done caught you in a lie and you're still lying, oh my god. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.